All questions and no answers, as MEPs tried to grill Spain's spy chief during a hearing investigating the Spanish spyware scandal. The presence of the head of the National Intelligence Services of Spain, Esperanza Casteleiro, was initially seen as the big news of the day, but she soon disappointed. Casteleiro limited herself to explaining in detail the legal framework in which the Spanish secret services operate, failing to answer any of the 28 questions that MEPs raised. Everything in this context is basically secret, according to her. Saskia Brickmont, an MEP from the Greens, says there is no willingness by the Spanish authorities to start a more thorough investigation of the scandal.
Amongst them are, for instance, colleagues from the European Parliament, which immunity protects them in the context of their mandate. And so spying on MEPs is illegal. We didn't get really answers on these elements this morning during the hearing. What we call for is the justice to do its work in full independency, on the one hand. On the other hand, we also call on the governments to share more information with the inquiry committee, because they're all using the national security argument.
In Spain, there's two cases. One is the surveillance of Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez and two Spanish ministers by a third country thought to be Morocco. And on the other hand, there's the case of at least 67 Catalan independence politicians. Among them, some MEPs that were also infected by the Pegasus spyware. But Spanish MEP Jordi Cañas defends Spain's spy chief for maintaining her silence. He said that it is not that she does not want to do it, it's that she cannot do it. This is the law, and in a state of law, rules have to be respected. The National Centre for Intelligence has respected the law, investigated people for an alleged crime and under court order. She came to show respect to this committee and to say what she can, and that is very little. The committee investigating the scandal has visited the main countries where the use of spyware has been revealed, as well as Israel, the country of origin of the firm that manufactures it, the NSO Group. But MEPs have not, however, been able to organise a mission to Spain due to the European Parliament's two largest political groups blocking any trip.